Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. First, gather your essential tools like a ratchet set, various extensions, and safety glasses. You will also need a new starter motor and some anti-seize compound for reassembly. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before beginning any electrical work on your vehicle. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and potential injury. To gain access to the starter, begin by disconnecting both the negative and positive battery cables, then carefully remove the battery itself. Next, you'll need to remove the battery tray and any air ducting or components that obstruct your view or access to the starter. The starter motor is generally located on the front side of the engine, often held by 2 bolts. Clear access makes the job much easier. With clear access, disconnect the electrical wires from the old starter, including the solenoid wire and the main battery cable. These are typically held by a 12mm and a 10mm nut respectively. Next, remove the 2 14mm mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Carefully extract the old starter. Install the new starter, ensuring all wires are reconnected and the 2 mounting bolts are tightened to specification. After installing the new starter, reassemble all components in reverse order, including the battery tray and any air ducting you removed. Reconnect the battery cables, ensuring they are clean and tight to prevent starting issues. Before starting the engine, remember to input any anti-theft codes for your radio or navigation system. Finally, start the engine to confirm the new starter functions correctly. Also, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.